Here is the problem. You've got a great sounding acoustic guitar with a pickup system installed, but when you go to plug it in to play it live, it sounds thin, flat, and just not the guitar that you want it to sound like. Well, that is the issue that this device here has set out to solve. This is the Tone Dexter II, and in a nutshell, it takes the signal from your guitar and it makes it sound like there's an expensive microphone sitting in front of it when you're playing live. We first train it using a microphone and the pickup system. It learns the difference between the two and it shoots out something called a wave map, which basically makes you sound like a rock star on stage, or at least it's supposed to. So today we're testing it out on two differently priced Martin guitars. First, the 2023 Martin D18 with the Fishman Matrix Infinity mic blend pickup system installed. And then, the fan favorite, the Billy Strings DX2E signature model with the E1 pickup system installed. These are two widely different guitars, two different materials, two different price points. I'm interested to hear the difference because I hear folks say on the channel that it doesn't matter how pricey the guitar is, what it's made out of, as soon as you plug it in live, it doesn't make a difference. So we're gonna check that out today. This is a bluegrass channel, and we're trying to get to more subscribers than Taylor Swift because we feel bluegrass music is better than hers. So hit the subscribe button down below and help spread the love. If you're new to bluegrass music, there is a free mini course down below in the description. I teach you all the basics. Let's go ahead and get started first with the D18. Okay, so I've got it here on a blank setting, on a blank slot, and I'm gonna hit the tuner button, or the left button there, to put it into tuning mode. Then I'm gonna hit the boost button twice, and that's going to put us into training mode. And from there, I am just gonna play. It's gonna throw up a progress bar on the screen there, and when it's done, it'll process the audio. Okay, says it's done. We're gonna hold boost to save, and then we should be able to hear what it's done. Okay, right away, a lot of low end, all right? So I'm just gonna, all right. That low end's very pronounced here, so you see that you can just go in here and edit. I'm gonna take that low end down just a bit. And that sounds a lot better to my ears. You can hear it without. Go back to the slot. That is quite a big difference. By the way, folks, anytime we feature the Billy Strings signature model guitar here on this channel, you can, for a limited time, take 10% off lifetime access into my beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar course, Flatpick Foundations, with code BILLY. It's helping hundreds of students around the world finally understand how to play bluegrass guitar. If you've tried to learn before, nothing makes sense, you can't get the hang of it, it's all too fast and complicated, this will be perfect for you. Check it out down below. Use code BILLY to take 10% off lifetime access. Okay, now we're gonna do the same exact thing to an empty slot with the Billy Strings. Okay, we're done. We're gonna save this one, and here is the new audio. Okay, I'm pretty impressed by the sound of that. It's hard to say without going into the edit. I don't know if it's going to stack against the doctored audio from the D18. You can hear the difference. Let me know if I'm wrong down below. This is impressive for what it did to that raw signal though. And a quick between, right? That's with the doctored audio, and then we'll switch it over. Yeah, I think that's just night and day. Full disclosure, this isn't my product. I didn't buy this. I'm borrowing it from a buddy to do the demo with. But again, let me know what you think down below. This sounds way, way better, much more rich. And then you've got a situation here where, okay, maybe you can turn an HPL guitar into a decent sounding guitar live or a great sounding guitar live, but then you got to pay the price of this device, which isn't cheap whatsoever. And so what I'm interested in is trying to figure out different ways, maybe using like Logic or GarageBand and using like MIDI this or that to get the same effect but using through a computer. I don't know. I know a lot of tinkerers that kind of mess with this sort of thing. I've watched some videos online. Don't know if it's possible. Let me know what you think down below. But I don't know. Is it worth it this holiday season to grab this device? Does it make you sound better live? I'm pretty sure it will. And so it comes down to me if I'm thinking, honestly, here is like, how much do I want to pay to get that sound? Could be a good thing. You know, will it make the show better? Sure. Will people like it better? Probably. Will they know if it's not plugged in? I don't know. That's a whole other thing altogether. But let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to check out that free mini course if you're wanting to learn bluegrass guitar. It's a great hobby to get started. I scroll less when I focus on music, which is a big perk moving into 2026, or rather a big goal of mine is to play more, be on my phone a little bit less. Folks, tell me what you think about this down in the comments section. Make sure you check out Flatpick Foundations down below. Beginner friendly, hundreds of students around the world. I think we're well over 500 students now learning how to play bluegrass guitar, and it's going to be a fraction of the cost of your private lessons if you're wanting to be focused on bluegrass. Again, you can use code BILLY to take 10% off lifetime access. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.